Located in northern China, this megacity is China's capital and the world's most populated city. It is also the second largest city in China, known for its many monuments and museums and for hosting the Olympics. You probably guessed which city. Ni hao, freedom seekers. Come along and let's get into this video on the top restaurants to visit in Beijing. King's Joy. First up on our list is King's Joy. King's Joy is a vegetarian oasis in China, since vegetarian-friendly options are hard to come by. Dishes consist of soy, vegetables and mushrooms, and they mimic meaty favourites to a T. The delicate presentations and peaceful surroundings also make this restaurant the ideal place to unwind. King's Joy also give you a fantastic live harp performance if you're lucky enough to be there at the right time. Country Kitchen. With an array of northern Chinese specialities, the food here is a tribute to northern China. Country Kitchen digs deep into China's old traditions and history, with the lost recipes as their secret. Rumour has it that these forgotten scrolls were from imperial times. Whether it's true or not, the recipes were delectable. Roast pork and roast duck were some of their featured menu options, all made through the use of ancient texts and traditional techniques. Country Kitchen, we will be back. Freedom seekers, it's us again reminding you to tickle that like button. If you don't, a puppy somewhere dies, and we love puppies. So lightly scratch on that like button and let us know you're out there. Haidalao. Now this restaurant was just pure fun. Dancing waiters and noodles. Chinese beer and dance? What could be better combinations? With several locations, Haidalao was a very popular hot pot spot. There's free refills, snacks and fruit plates while you ate. And did we forget to mention that they have board games and manicure stations? We almost forgot that we were there to eat. This restaurant will leave you feeling not only full but rejuvenated, like all meals should. TRB Forbidden City. Last but certainly not least on our list is the Forbidden City. This restaurant serves contemporary European dishes. The fine dining experience is nothing less than imperial. Overlooking the east gate of the Forbidden City, the namesake restaurant has one of the largest wine selections in the city, which it couples with European cuisine. The atmosphere is very regal, complementing the palace next door, and the food is just as exquisite. Be prepared to spend here, but every dollar is worth it, as we always recommend you the good stuff, freedom seekers. And just like that, we're almost out of time. Comment Beijing to let us know who the true freedom seekers are. We'll be having a giveaway in a couple of weeks, so make sure you subscribe. And just because you stuck around until the end, here is a bonus travel tip for you. Do your research and get to know your travel destination in depth. Read travel guides and reviews and ensure that you know or write down emergency contacts for travel security precaution. Thanks, and see you next time.